Hello and welcome to the fourth tutorial. We just completed the gallery. Now we'll move on to completing a testimonial page. Before we move on to doing the testimonial page, what I want to do is to make sure that the testimonial plugin is activated. It's not in the PDF document, but we go to plugins and we look for the testimonial, and there it says activate, which means that it isn't activated. So we activate that in readiness then to create it, to create the testimonials to go onto the testimonial page. So that's activated now, and we know it's activated because it now says settings and deactivate. Right, as before with a gallery page, we now create a testimonial page to place the testimonials into. So we click on pages, add new, we call this testimonials. And as before, down at the bottom, uncheck allow comments and trackbacks and publish the page. So on pages, and we can see now the testimonial page we've created. Right, now we'll enter some testimonials using the testimonials plugin. And at the bottom of the menu, we'll see testimonials. This is from the plugin that we just activated. And simply click on testimonials. Now what we'll do is we'll enter a testimonial. We've already done one previously. Because this has already been activated, it's showing a previous testimonial that we've done, so we'll do one more again so that you can see the process. And what we'll do with this one is we'll put the name of the person in. We'll put Mike Davis. And we'll put location, capital I there, and we'll put location as Newport again, and we'll put in the actual testimonial description. I have found the service from MySys to be second to none. I would never hesitate in recommending them to anyone. Of course he'd say that. So that's the descriptive testimonial text, which will then be in the testimonial itself. We can then also then put in a website if we want to. And we'll put in Mike's website, which is www.propage.co.uk. There's no need to put the HTTP on it. It'll amend that automatically. And that's it. And all we do is make sure that it's public and click submit. And that's submitted now. It's now showing 2 testimonials. Okay. And so we now got the page. We've now got 2 testimonials. How do we get them into the web page? And it's quite simple. At the bottom of the testimonials you'll see support, so click on support. It takes us to the support page, and if you look at the frequently asked questions section at the bottom, you'll see 3. I want to display testimonials on one page. How do I do this? And on that bit of text underneath there, you'll see some code that you just highlight, as we did in the contact X form. Highlight the text, go right click and copy. We now go back to the pages and we click on the gallery page and we paste in the code. Oh sorry, not the gallery page, we go back to the testimonial page. I beg your pardon. So in the testimonial page we need to make sure that when we paste this code, we make sure that this particular code goes into the HTML tab. The contact us form just went into either the visual or the HTML tag, but this has to be the HTML tag. So we just click on that tab and then we just paste in the code. Right click and paste. And that's all the code we need, and that's all we need to do to show the testimonials on the testimonial page. So we go up to update and click update the page. And now what we can do is to go to the front end and press Control F5, and we'll see the testimonial page, and we'll click on testimonials, and you can see that the two testimonials are there on the main page for the testimonials, and it's as simple as that. While we're on testimonials, there's another thing we can do. We can actually then place testimonials on the right hand side. Okay, so we'll do this quickly while we're on testimonials. If we go back to the content management system and click on widgets, you will see in the widget area all available widgets. There's quite a list of widgets, but what we want is the testimonials widget, and here is a testimonials widget. And to add any type of plugin or widget onto your web page or your business site in WordPress, it's a simple process. You just click and hold down your mouse button, you simply drag it over to the widget area and just drop it in. And this is the primary widget area, which is the right hand column, and we just type in there the title and then click save. And now when we go to the front end again and click Control F5, over on the right hand side should be the testimonials, and you click on home. You now got the home page with testimonials. If we need to change that, you wanted to show more than one testimonial, it's a simple process of going back to the back end and going to the testimonials plugin area and clicking on settings, and there you can see that testimonials shown at once is 1. If we change that to 2 and then update, save the changes, go back to the web page and press Control F5, we now have 2 testimonials. How simple is that? Well, that's the end of the tutorial, the 4th one for testimonials, and look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.